Welcome back to CP's Garage, where today we're going to talk about timing belts and how we could possibly be saving some money. So here in front of me we have a 3-liter front timing belt and all the associated parts from Ford, and then we have a Dayco belt assembly that came from Europe. This is actually a front and rear belt kit shipped to the United States. It was $212. So let's go ahead and open these so we can see if there's any difference. Trying to open this one-handed kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Oh, they got some tape on it too. Couldn't make it easy, huh? So here's the kit number if you guys are interested. It's for a Land Rover. And let's see what we got. We got an idler. We got another idler. We got the primary tensioner and the rear tensioner with the pin in it. Woohoo! We also have the primary tensioner bolt. And we have 2 timing belts. Got the line on it. Got the other line on it, so that's the rear belt. And it looks identical to me. Can't even tell the difference other than the writing on it. Here's the primary belt. It looks just like the one that Ford gives you. Only difference is this one does not have Dayco stamped into it. It's just got it right there. Before filming the video, I did check out the Dayco cross-reference part numbers, and they did actually... Damn airplanes. Before coming out here, I did check all the Dayco cross-reference part numbers with the Ford engineering numbers on these, and they are the same engineering numbers, so I will say they are exact same parts, or close to it anyways. So let's open the Ford stuff. As you can see, this is for my timing job next weekend. So here's a Ford tensioner up close and personal. It looks almost identical to the Dayco one. So here's the Dayco one up close. Got different part numbers on it, but they look identical, including even the stamp right there. I'm going to assume these are probably just serial numbers because they're electric penciled on, but the bearings are the exact same bearings. They are exactly the same size when it comes to size. And you wouldn't even know the difference if this one didn't have Ford part numbers on it. So next, we'll look at the tensioner bolt. Here's the tensioner bolt from Ford Motor. Here's the tensioner bolt from Dayco. They are identical. The difference is on the head, but they're the same bolt. We can see there's a difference in color, probably even bearings actually, but there's no real numbers on the Dayco one, but they look close enough. I mean, for the money you're saving, just to do the rear belt, you'll save about $100 ordering this kit over ordering all the parts individual. Parts for Ford for the rear, just for the belt, like what you see here, just for this stuff, is over $300. Here, $212 shipped. But as you can see, the pulley size is absolutely identical. They line up. The height is damn near the same, if not the same. The depth through there, yeah, they're about the same. So I will say you probably can use this on an F-150 without a problem. So we'll probably end up using this on an F-150. Next person who wants me to do a timing belt, I will use it on their belt, use it on their truck, save them about $100. So I want to make this video short, and it is short. It's probably about a 5-minute video after I get done editing it. So until next time, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.